Hi guys, welcome to Watkins Way. Today we're going to make a smoky Manhattan. We're going to use ingredients: bullet rye whiskey. We're going to use some sweet vermouth, and we're going to use some applewood chips to make our smoky Manhattan with. So let's get busy making this. So I'm going to do 2 ounces of bullet rye bourbon. And I'm going to use probably about a ½ ounce of sweet vermouth. Not more than a ½ ounce. Dump that in. And a few drops of bitters. All right, so let's get shaking. All right, now we're going to use a large ice cube, and we're just going to pour this into our drink. And this is our Manhattan, and we're going to turn it into a smoky Manhattan. So I got my applewood chips right here. I got my lighter. And we're just going to burn these wood chips that I've already soaked a little bit of the wood chips into our bourbon. And the smoke's going to go down into the glass, come out the sides. All right. This, boys and girls, is our smoky Manhattan, the Watkins way. Let me take a sip. So good. Smoking hot. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that bell. Need subscribers. See you next time.